There are several ways to benefit from owning property and being involved in the real estate industry. Not only does this originate from discovering the right property, people, and loans to work with, but also involves finding the most effective way to save money while you own a single or multiple properties. Among the best-known ways to save money is by utilizing a 1031 exchange. A 1031 exchange is a specific tax form that can assist with the profits and losses that you have received for the year from your real estate holdings. They are usually used by those who own more than one piece of real estate as an investment. This form will allow you to roll over the revenues that have been earned from the sale of a piece of real estate to another property. From there, you have the option of obtaining another property as opposed to just paying the tax due on the real estate that you just sold. The major advantage of a 1031 exchange is that it enables you to be able to defer specific taxes and instead use the money to invest in other real estate. If the property is acquired, then the taxes that are drawn from the capital gain will not be used until a later time. A second benefit to a 1031 exchange is that it allows for more of your equity to be a part of the investment. As a result, each time you purchase a new property from the 1031 exchange, the property will gain a higher value. The one point to bear in mind if you are considering a 1031 exchange is that the new investment needs to be what is referred to as like kind. This means that the investment must be the same type of property as the property that has already been sold. Before entering into a 1031 exchange, it is important to consider this point of like kind, as it can cause problems with new investments later on. However, if you have enough profit that was made out of the purchase for the 1031 exchange, you can purchase more or fewer amounts of the same property. Knowing about the 1031 exchange is important if your goal is to build your own passive income portfolio from real estate. This will help you with getting more out of your property and laying the proper foundation for your success in real estate.